All right. And you got Quentin in the chat? Okay, perfect. So yeah, we're here. We got Get Sidetracked, and we're doing another YouTube video. We got Quentin, who's a photographer here, and he's also, well, I'll let him speak. Quentin.
Hey, I've lived in Macau for about 16 years. I'm a local photographer here in Macau, and we're out doing kind of a walkabout, just checking out the urban jungle here, so to speak, the concrete jungle that is Macau. And yeah, beautiful city, just trying to enjoy the day. It's a little bit cloudy, but other than that, it's a great day for photography, and we're having a good time, aren't we?
Yeah, definitely. And right now we're in Camoes Park, so we got some pretty cool stuff, like these guys here playing back there,
doing their daily activities, or gambling, or mahjong. Or
yeah. And we got these amazing views. We can see the waterfront over there.
Here and everything.
And we got a temple right here as well, so we can see part of it on the cliffside here.
This is an amazing place to walk around, to film, to explore. You know, always something new in Macau.
Yeah.
Always something new.
And Quentin has so you can see some of his photography. I'll put all the social media stuff down below as well. And,
yeah, you can catch me on Instagram and Facebook. We'll get all that information and stuff at a later date. Kevin will do that. And but yeah, you can catch me on Facebook, Instagram, and yeah, I'd love for you to come visit my websites.
Can we show your tattoo?
Yeah,
like that tattoo is looks kind of like a really cool image. To me, it has a Macau image, but I don't know if a Portuguese Macau image.
Yeah,
but maybe.
Yeah, it's just part of my naval history.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Fits in with Macau pretty well.
It does, doesn't it? Yeah.
All right. Thanks a lot, Jason. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. All right, so here we are. Got a new video. Oh, come across. So we got Quentin right here, and we're basically just gonna take some shots of the temple up here. And check it all out. All kinds of cool stimulus. Okay. Yeah, we got some people kind of hanging out. Let's do a little 360. Okay. Jason, got some interesting people. Then we're gonna head on up this way.
Follow us. I've never been to this center, man.
Sometimes I feel like if people are watching me film, then I have permission to like.
Yeah. No. Yeah, it's kind of like a unwritten rule. Yeah. No, 100%. For sure.
Okay, so this is actually at the top. So what I'm gonna do is just kind of show you guys around. I'm just gonna narrate a little bit. We got Quentin who's doing some photo shots, and we're also just kind of doing some photo shots in general. And I'm just gonna give you a little bit of a quick tour of this temple of Camoes. Try to show you some of the stuff that we got around here. And we basically came up those steps right there. So we came up there and just kind of point out some of the cool stuff. There's like a little outdoor balcony right there. And over there, there's like, they play badminton over on the other side over there. And got this pretty cool view over here too. And I'll show you what that looks like, because it kind of comes down in this one street right here. And it's kind of where we started at, because we started downstairs a little bit, so we're going to narrate that. It's got some dragons right there. Those are protection against the spirits, for the spirit world. Little gargoyle kind of stuff, I believe, but somebody correct me if I'm not right. And then basically this is the kind of stuff I want to capture, because these are little walking areas right here. So they come up to the temple, and then up there is Camoes temple up that way. And if we went down this way, we could capture the temple. Sorry, they closed the gate. So that gate used to go up to there, but it looks like it's either temporarily or permanently closed at the moment. But yeah, Camoes Park is up there, which is kind of a place that's quite famous. There's a Portuguese poet's body is in place up there, like his statue. That's a pretty cool shot right there with Quentin. All right. So we're just gonna keep on. Yeah. If you can, there's also, I don't know if this is interesting to you too, Quentin, but
what's up?
Like this right here, like there's a street scene right there, so you can capture people coming up.
Oh yeah.
So I don't know if it comes out good on the camera, but.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's kind of interesting because you got kind of a wall of apartments right there too. So yeah, it looks pretty cool. Change the lens.
I'm gonna use every lens I brought today.
Yeah, yeah. So I'll just walk down this way and I'll just come back a little bit. So I just kind of go through this real quick, capture some more stuff. So this temple is oh, look at that. Let's kind of capture it real quick. It's amazing. It's like a gesture. So we're just gonna go down. That's our street down below. I'm just gonna go up real quick and then I'm gonna join those guys in a minute. But I just want to show off all the stuff here. That's another spot where you can kind of a rooftop area too. And I think that we might be able to get into Camoes up here. So I think what I'm going to do is just take a look, and if not, I think we can get some good views over here. But yeah, we can get into the park right there, so there is a spot. Oh yeah, this is pretty cool. Yeah, we got some really beautiful views right here. Okay, so we're gonna come back around this way and I'm just gonna meander back, and I think what we're gonna do is do some new shots over there at Camoes. But I just want to capture a little bit of this. Say hello to Jason, our photographer, for us. Jason is helping us out today and he's operating the camera, but I kind of wanted to narrate a little bit and just kind of show off this space a little bit. This is actually kind of a cool image right there. Look at that gargoyle, that looks really cool. And then we got Jason right here. He's with our camera today, so he's filming for us. So thanks a lot, Jason.
Yeah.
Jason from the Philippines.
Yeah. Hello.
All right. Thanks, Jason. Pretty cool. Okay, so I think what we're gonna do is just, we're just gonna end this video, but I'm gonna kind of come around just like this, and that'll be our ending spot right there.
Yeah. Still have.
So actually, we're just we're going to show this real quick. So this got Camoes. So you can see Luís, big Camoes, and then birth. So 1500s. So that's his face. And I think there's some poetry that we saw over where those people are at. So there's a bunch of poetry in Chinese, Portuguese, and English. We're just going to explore and come back on. That's a little bit right here.
Okay.
Yeah. So underrated, actually.
Yeah, it's amazing that people back home, you know, they would have no idea.
Yeah.
This sounds interesting.
Yeah, and actually a lot of people too, they just think of the casinos, so they don't
Yeah,
really understand it.
they do, and a lot of people still don't, which is funny that people still don't even. I still run into people all the time. I'm like, oh yeah, I live in Macau. Where's Macau? You know? Yeah. And you know, 10 years ago, I understand. You know, but you would think more people would be aware of Macau nowadays.
Yeah.
It's a lot better than it used to be. Though.
Yeah. Yeah, there's a lot of confusion. Sometimes people think maybe it's in Latin America.
Yeah, well, it sounds very kind of Spanish or European, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Doesn't sound like a place in China.
Yeah. And then even sometimes they'll do associate China, but then their image of it is totally different.
Oh yeah.
If it's
Yeah.
Actually, even I don't know about for you, but for me, I kind of read about it a little bit, but I didn't really fully understand it until I actually was here. like I knew there was like Portuguese, but I didn't really know like how it's going to be intermixed
Right.
the way that it is.
No, I mean, I never heard about Macau until I met my girlfriend at the time.
Yeah.
She's now my wife. That was 20 years ago.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, you know, it's just it's an amazing place.
Yeah. Actually, just everything you look at, like even just this little wall right here. If I saw this somewhere else, you know.
No, I know.
that
Like how interesting is that, right?
Yeah.
It's really just.
Actually, the more I actually focus on, I can actually see on the balconies there that are like hidden. But if you're on that balcony, you would have like a view of the outside that nobody could really see what you're doing, right? Like,
Oh yeah.
Like it's actually like kind of amazing. And it's actually quite safe too. Like if you had kids, they're not gonna climb out the windows.
No, you wouldn't have to worry about that.
Actually, I think those top ones right there, those are all somebody built those. So I thought they're not actually part of the building.
Oh, look at it! It's like corrugated steel.
Yeah, it's amazing. Right? Like, I don't know how those things last in typhoons, but
That's a maintenance, I guess.
well, what do you think? Should we go up to Camoes?
Yeah, let's try. Let's do it.
Check it out.
Do it to it.
We'll enter into another world in a minute.
Well, now the world. Well, now the place. They've got this tree tied off so it doesn't. I guess. 500, I don't know.
And then we're entering into a whole other world right here.
Yeah, gallery. Oh, shit. Tower, yeah.
Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.
Yeah.